Hi YouTube family, I am back with another video, and if you are watching this, that means that you are seeing angel number 1010. Now 10 is one of my favorite numbers. I don't really know why. Actually, I think it's because my birthday is on the 10th of the month, so I feel like that's probably why it's my favorite number. So we are going to get into the video on why you may be seeing angel number 1010. All right, so starting off with number one. Number one means it always stands for new beginnings. So this means that you are going to be having some kind of new beginning, whether it's a new house, a new car, a new job. It can be anything, but whatever it's going to be, it could be a new relationship also, but whatever it's going to be new. So that means don't go looking for the old. Don't worry about the old things, okay? And so number 0 is associated with, it's pretty much amplifying any number. 0 is. It signifies spiritual awakening, spiritual growth, and pretty much abundance. Angel number 0 can also add an emphasis and a sense of spiritual divine protection and guidance. It also signifies a profound connection with the divine, and also tells you that everything is interconnected with the universe. So seeing number angel 1010 is associated with new beginnings, but it's also associated with spiritual awakenings. So maybe you've been hearing ringing in your ears. Maybe you've been seeing all these spiritual synchronicities, birds, butterflies, bees, spiders. These are all like spirit animals and spirit insects and synchronicities. So everything has a meaning, and everything around us is energy. So if you've been seeing angel number 1010, you are on the right track. Do not give up. Your breakthrough is coming, and it will be sweet. So whatever that you had to let go of, or whatever you're holding on to that you need to let go of, you need to let go. If you have been thinking about letting something go and you don't know if you should, there's your answer. If you see 1010, that means let it go. New beginnings means out with the old, in with the new. You have to remove things from your life in order to make room for new things to come in. Always. This is a lesson that I have learned, and that's why I wanted to do a video on this angel number. So you cannot hold on to things. If you hold on to things, the universe will it'll take it out of your life in a different kind of way, a way that you don't want it to take it out of your life. Like, it'll force it out of your life if you are not paying attention to the synchronicities and just letting things go. If it doesn't serve you anymore, you need to let it go. That's another thing that it means. Let go of anything that is no longer serving you, because the universe and God and the divine is trying to bring in new things. 1010 is new beginnings. Okay? Beautiful new beginnings. Okay? So when you see this number, be very, very happy. And just know that you're a 10. All right, when you see angel number 1010, it's encouraging you to stay focused and to stay positive. Okay? All right, seeing angel number 1010 means you need to stay positive. This is like one of the main things. Like, you have to reprogram your subconscious mind. You cannot do things like you wake up in the morning and then you're just like, okay, you're walking to your car and you're like, oh, what if I have a flat tire? Why would you even think that? Okay? You can't do things like that. Like, you can't think things, because then it's going to come true. So if you stay positive and you're always thinking positive things, and you stay away from thinking negative things are not going to happen. So these are things that we have to do. We have to reprogram our subconscious mind. And if you want to know how to do that, there's a lot of videos on YouTube that will teach you how to reprogram your subconscious minds with certain affirmations, and there's even things that you can sleep to, and it works because I've done it. So it will help you to transform your negative thoughts into positive thoughts, or not even just having those negative thoughts at all. Like, you won't have negative thoughts, you'll just have nothing but positivity, because at the end of the day, you have to show the universe that you are happy and that you are grateful for what you already have. Okay? So no negative thoughts. Just be happy. Act out of love. Do everything out of love and gratitude. If you're seeing angel number 1010, this is also a message from the universe that you need to stay focused. Focus on whatever you have going on. If you got any projects that you have going on or anything that you want to do, now is the time to do it. Get it done. Do it. You got to do it. You just got to do it. You have to. Just do it like Nike, okay? Like, you have to get it done. You cannot procrastinate. This is the time. Your spirit guides, your angels, and your ancestors and the universe and the divine are giving you a nudge to let you know that it's time for you to get started. And whatever you start, you're going to be successful in. So don't be scared to start anything new. Take a leap of faith, because you never know what can happen. 1010 is about abundance also. So whatever you got going on that you need to finish and that you need to do, it's going to bring you nothing but abundance, joy, and happiness. So get it done. Stay focused. If you got to put reminders on your phone, if you got to do an alarm, if you got to do a calendar, if you got to put a calendar up, if you got to journal's really good. Journaling is really good for writing down your thoughts and, kind of figuring things out on what you want to do, how you're going to do things, and how you're going to execute things. So I recommend that. You can get you like one of those pocket calendars. Just put things on your phone, reminders. You can put up post-it notes all over the house. Whatever you got to do to stay focused and get your stuff done, you need to get it done, because whatever you're doing is powerful and it's going to probably help a lot of people. And so the universe is calling on you to get it done, because you are very special. If you are seeing this number, you are a very special person, and you have a very special gift that you need to get out to the world. You have something very unique that the world needs to see or hear. So get it done, y'all. Get it done. If you are seeing angel number 1010, the universe is also encouraging you to stay aligned with your thoughts and your actions. This means if you have been thinking like, oh, I need to get a job to make some extra money. Okay, well, go fill out those applications. A job is not going to just land in your lap, okay? If you've been thinking that you need some extra money, then figure out some ways, write some things down on how you can make some extra money. Start brainstorming. Just make sure that your actions are aligned with whatever you're thinking. If you were seeing angel number 1010, the universe is also trying to let you know that whatever you are thinking, it can be real powerful, and it can really, really, really happen. Your thoughts are very powerful right now. If you're seeing angel number 1010, your thoughts are really powerful and they can really manifest. So this number is letting you know to stay positive. You have to stay positive, because whatever you think is going to happen. You're going to manifest it. So I recommend, hey, how about you manifest a new car, or manifest meeting that person that you have been wanting to meet, or just manifest whatever you want. Abundance, wealth, manifest your dream career. Think about your dream career. Picture that. Just think of positive things. Think about like how your dream career will help your family. Just things like that. Just think positive. If you get a phone call from somebody that you haven't talked to in a while, and usually they're like negative, don't automatically think that they're going to be negative. Like you see them calling and you're like, oh, here we go. Like, don't automatically think that they're going to be negative, because they might not be. But if you're thinking that, then that's what's going to happen. If you're like, okay, let me see what they're talking about, then it might be positive. Believe me, it's happened to me before. I know. This is why I make videos on these things, okay? Because these are things that have happened to me, and these are things that I want to share with you, okay? I want you guys to learn from the lessons that I've already learned. I want to make your life easier, okay? Because these are all things that I had to learn on my own, okay? So I'm coming to you with these facts and with just these synchronicities so you can learn how to manage your life better and just understand what all these numbers and all this energy and all these things mean and all these things that are going on in your life. So just make sure you keep a positive mindset, because when you think positive, only positive things can happen in your life. When you're happy, only happy things can happen in your life, okay? If you are seeing angel number 1010, the universe is encouraging you to stay optimistic, okay? So that means if you get a job opportunity and you weren't really planning on getting a job opportunity, if it just pops up out of nowhere, like, check it out. See what it's all about. You might like it, you know? Don't knock it till you try it. And that's what being optimistic is. Don't knock it till you try it, okay? And I ain't talking about doing some stuff that you know you ain't supposed to be doing, okay? But yeah, you get some opportunities, stay open-minded, because it might be an opportunity of a lifetime, okay? So stay optimistic. Also, be flexible, you know? Um, it's so important to be flexible so that all the things that you want can just come into your life. When you're flexible, more things are able to come in, you know? Just like, you know, some people that work a 9 to 5, you can't really do a lot of different things, you know, or you can't really take on a lot of things because you're at this one place with a set schedule, and that's the only thing that you can do for those 8 hours, or if it's part-time, whatever. But that's the only thing that you can do, you know what I'm saying? And that's the only thing you can be focused on. So, you know, be flexible if you can, you know. Be flexible with finding other ways to do certain things. There's always more than one way to do things. Sometimes there's more than two ways to do things. So just stay positive, stay optimistic, and, you know, brainstorm. I really, really highly recommend getting some paper, you know, and writing things down. Something that I do when I'm like, I can't make a decision, like I just can't make a decision, the easiest thing for me to do is get a piece of paper and write down the pros and the cons of whatever it is. And whichever one has the most pros, I'm going with it, okay? So that's an easy strategy for you guys to use when it comes to like making decisions. Make sure you are embracing all opportunities. Try them. Try them. Do not be scared to jump out of your comfort zone. You know, I know that's something that a lot of us struggle with, but you got to just do it. If you don't, you're going to stay in the same spot. You know, you just got to do it, you know? Whatever you're scared of, you know, you gotta knock on the door of it. You know, like, hey, open up. I'm not scared. I'm not scared no more. So what's up? You know, you gotta face it. You gotta face your fears and just go. Do it. Who cares? Don't think you're gonna fail. You know what I'm saying? You're not. You are not. 1010 is letting you know you ain't gonna fail. The universe has your back. So go ahead and do it. Get it done. Try it. Try it. Remember, angel number 1 signifies new beginnings and leadership. And 0 represents wholeness, potential, and spiritual growth. So when you see these numbers combined, you need to be focused on your spirituality also. Do not slack on your spirituality, whether it's praying, um, doing like your meditation. You know, that can be spiritual for a lot of people too. I know that's like one of my spiritual practices. I claim that as being like spiritual, because that cleanses and purifies my whole body. So, Meditation is definitely highly recommended, but do not be slacking on your spiritual things. Be talking to your spirit guides, your angels, and your ancestors, God, the universe, or divine. Whoever you pray to, be talking to them, and just make sure that you take out time for yourself to be able to do that. Don't let anything or anyone come in between that. You have to stay on your spiritual stuff. You know, even if you gotta do your spiritual baths, you know, your spiritual cleanses, cleansing your home, doing your spiritual cleanse of your home, like with your sage, your Palo Santos, your Florida water, all that. So yeah, make sure that you are staying spiritually aligned, because when you stay spiritually aligned, everything else is going to line up for you. And that is also showing God in the universe that you can stay on track and that you can stay focused. So when you are staying on track and you're staying focused, they're just going to bring you more and more, more and more and more, because that's showing them that you can handle it. All right. Angel number 1010 is also signaling that you need to stay aligned with your higher purpose, whatever that may be. And if you don't know how to figure out what your higher purpose is, I recommend writing down everything that you love to do, the things that you can make money off of, and the things that you that are easy for you to do. So whatever you make money off of, that is easy for you to do, that you enjoy doing, that is your purpose. Okay. I wish I would have had it that easy. I wish somebody would have told me that. But yeah, that's how you know you're aligned with your purpose. And some of us don't have just one purpose, you know? We have multiple purposes. Like for me, I figured out that this is my purpose, to come to you guys. I am here to help, heal, and educate. That is my purpose. Okay? And that's what I'm going to do. I love doing it. I love doing it. So I found my purpose, and yeah, that's what I'm going to be doing, helping, healing, and educating. So thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure that you hit that like button and subscribe, and make sure that you purchase some of my products. I have a new product that just came out that I just launched, and it is chakra teas. So I have the root chakra tea, and I'm working on, well, I actually have the sacral chakra tea, and I have the, so I have the root chakra, sacral chakra, and the solar plexus tea already. It's already made, because these are teas that I drink every day to make sure that my chakras stay aligned. That's another thing. You see in 1010, make sure them chakras is aligned, okay? And I have all the herbs that can help you be aligned and stay aligned. And also I have the chakra series that I just launched, and I did the root chakra video, and I'll be coming every week with each chakra, with a video on each chakra. So make sure that you stay tuned. And like I said, like, share. If you are not subscribed, make sure that you subscribe, because I have a lot of treats for you guys. I'm going to be doing another giveaway soon. So yeah, all the links will be down in the description. And I love you guys so much. Remember, stay aligned with your higher purpose, stay positive, and continue on your spiritual growth. I love you guys.